Good morning, students. We are discussing about the application of restriction endonuclease. Restriction endonuclease, as you know that is a molecular seizure used in the field of genetic engineering to form recombinant molecules of DNA. Composition of DNA from different sources. Some same restriction endonuclease, same kind of sticky ends which can be joined by DNA ligase as shown in the picture. The enzymes cuts both the DNA strands at the same site, vector DNA and foreign DNA. Vector DNA is shown in the red color and foreign DNA that is in black color. EcoRI cuts the DNA between bases G and A only when the sequence GAATTC is present in the DNA, and that forms the sticky ends, and then sticky ends joined together and forms the recombinant DNA. Diagrammatic representation of recombinant DNA technology. Foreign DNA, same restriction enzyme cutting both the foreign DNA and vector DNA at a specific point, and ligase join the foreign DNA to the plasmid. Then the plasmid is transferred into the host bacterial cell, that is E. coli. Separation and isolation of DNA fragments. Action of restriction endonuclease results fragments of DNA separated by gel electrophoresis depends on negative nature of DNA. External electrical field is applied to the medium. DNA moved to the anode. Medium or matrix used as is agarose gel. Natural polymer extracted from seaweed. Medium acts as sieve and separate DNA according to their sizes, smaller fragments further. Separated DNA stand with ethidium bromide and exposed to ultraviolet radiations. Bright orange colored bands of DNA in gel. Separated bands of DNA cut out from agarose gel and extracted from gel piece, that is elution. Purified DNA fragments constructing recombinant DNA by joining them with cloning vector. See the picture of gel electrophoresis. And the right side, that is ethidium bromide ultraviolet radiation, that's showing the bands of DNA on the photographic plate. Cloning vector. A cloning vector is a small piece of DNA taken from a virus or a plasmid of bacteria that can be stably maintained in an organism and into which a foreign DNA fragments can be inserted for cloning purposes. Common vectors are plasmids and bacteriophage. Salient feature of cloning vectors: ability to replicate within bacterial cell independent of chromosomal DNA. Second, high copy number per cell, plasmid 15 to 100 copies per cell. Alien DNA, that is a foreign DNA, when integrated with the vector can multiply equal to copy of number of vector. Vectors can be engineered for easy linking of foreign DNA and selection of recombinant from non-recombinants. Gene cloning with different factors. Plasmid DNA present in the bacteria as a extra chromosomal DNA that is used as a vector. Foreign gene is inserted in that plasmid DNA and recombinant DNA molecule is formed, and then that is transferred into the host cell, that is transformation, and then cell divides and forms the number of copies of that rDNA. In the case of bacteriophage virus, that is also used as a cloning vector. Viral DNA that is used as a vector. Foreign DNA is inserted and then recombinant DNA molecule is formed, and then that is transferred into the host cell, and in the host cell that forms the number of copies of that recombinant DNA molecules that comes out after the lysis of cell. Features to facilitate cloning into vectors. Features required to facilitate cloning into vectors. First is origin of replication. Second is selectable marker. Third is cloning sites. And fourth, vectors for cloning genes in plants and animals. Origin of replication, that is ORI. Sequence of DNA where a replication starts or initiates. Alien DNA, when linked to it, replicate within host cell, regulates and control copy number of linked DNA, alien DNA or target DNA. If multiple copies of target DNA required, then target DNA be cloned in a vector whose origin of replication supports high number. Second, selectable marker. Identify and eliminate non-transformants from transformants and selectively permit growth of transformants. Transformation procedure through which rRNA introduced into host bacterium, change in phenotype. Example, E. coli, resistance against ampicillin, chloramphenicol, tetracycline or kanamycin, selectable marker which is lacked in normal E. coli. Cloning sites, region in the vector where ligation of target DNA takes place, created by commonly used specific restriction endonuclease at the recognition sites. Within a vector where ligation of alien DNA takes place. PBR322, genetically engineered plasmid, widely used E. coli cloning vector. The AMPR gene encodes for ampicillin resistance protein and the TET-R gene encodes for tetracycline resistance protein have specific restriction sites for different restriction endonucleases. For example, BAMH1, SAL1, HINT3, CLA1, ECOR1, PBU1, PBU2, PST1. Presence of more than one recognition site within vector will complicate gene cloning. Ligation of alien DNA, restriction sites present in one of the two antibiotic resistance genes inactivate the gene enable to choose transformants from non-transformants. See the picture of that plasmid DNA. If alien DNA is ligated at BAMH1 sites in tetracycline resistance gene, recombinant DNA lose its resistance against tetracycline. Transformants can be selected from non-transformants, plating bacteria or ampicillin containing medium bacteria grows. Transformants growing in ampicillin transferred to tetracycline medium. Transformants cannot grow and non-recombinants grow due to gene gets inactivated, that is insertion. Selection of recombinants due inactivation of antibiotics, cumbersome process due to simultaneous plating on two different antibiotics. Alternative selectable marker develop differentiate to produce color in the presence of chromogenic substance. Recombinant DNA sequence is inserted within coding sequence of enzyme beta galactosidase. Inactivation of enzyme insertional inactivation. Presence of chromogenic substance beta galactosidase. Blue colored colonies bacteria with plasmid with no insert. Presence of insert inactivation of beta galactosidase colonies do not produce any color. Identify recombinant colony. Vectors for cloning genes in plants and animals. Bacteria and virus transform eukaryotic cells by delivering genes. Agrobacterium tumefaciens pathogens of dicot plants deliver a DNA piece, tDNA, and transform normal cell to tumor, which produce chemicals required by the pathogen. Retrovirus transforms normal animal cell to cancerous cell. An understanding of mechanism of delivering genes by pathogens to their hosts can help to understand the tools of pathogens and can be used to deliver genes of interest in human. Tumor-inducing plasmid (TI) of Agrobacterium tumefaciens modified into cloning vector, non-pathogenic to plants and have ability to deliver genes of interest of variety of plants. Retrovirus disarmed delivers genes of interest in animals. When gene of interest is ligated into a suitable vector, transferred into suitable host, bacteria, plant or animals multiply. See the diagrammatic representation of plant vector, that is a TI plasmid. How that TI plasmid is transferred into the plant. Three steps are there. First is the insertion of gene into plasmid using restriction enzyme and DNA ligase. Second, introduction into plant cells in culture. And third, regeneration of plants with new trait. Same thing in the case of animal vector. Viral DNA that is transferred into the host cell, and then host cell multiplies and forms the number of copies of that retrovirus. Components host for transformation with rDNA. rDNA should enter cell to transform cells, but DNA cannot enter cell in a medium without treatment of, that is, hydrophilic. Hosts should be made competent to take up DNA as a vector. Different techniques to make host competent. Chemical treatment. Treating host, that is bacteria, with a specific concentration of divalent cation increases efficiency and make DNA enter through cell wall of host. Heat shock, sudden change in temperature, mixture of rDNA and host cells, incubation of host and rDNA on ice and then placing them at 42 degrees Celsius and then back to ice. Enable bacteria to take up rDNA. Microinjection. rDNA directly injected into nucleus of host cell, common for animal cell. Biolistics and gene gun. Host cell bombarded with high velocity microparticle of gold or tungsten. Microparticles are coated with recombinant DNA used for plant cell. Disarming pathogens. Pathogenicity of vector is removed. Disarmed pathogens Disarmed pathogens vector allowed to infect host and transfer rDNA. Techniques to introduce recombinant DNA, that is the microinjection, needle with foreign DNA inserted in the host cell, as in the case of animal.